Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create a purchase order in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, then log in to your Shopify account. Now that you're inside your Shopify dashboard, to create a purchase order, just go to Products and select Purchase Orders. And now click on this Create Purchase Order button and you will arrive to this page. First, select your supplier. In my case, I only have this single supplier. If you're new and you don't have, or you don't have current suppliers here, you can create a new supplier from this little window. Now select your desired supplier, then select your destination, I mean your store location. In my case, this Shopify store has two locations. If your store has two locations, but you still don't see it here, it is simple. Just go to settings, you will arrive to this page, then go to locations, and then add a new location to your store. As you can see here, I have Fulfill Max Logistics and Pacific Ship and Store. And these are exactly these two. Let's say I want to ship this order to my Pacific Ship and Store or destination. Now select your payment terms. This is optional. You can select between cash on delivery, payment or receipt, payment in advance, and so on. Let's go with cash on delivery. Here you select the supplier or your supplier currency. Let's go with the US dollar. After that, you can fill in your estimated shipment arrival date. Let's say it is expected on the 1st of June. For the shipping carrier, you can select from a long list of shipping carriers. Let's go with DHL. And the tracking number, this is simply data. This is my tracking number. Here, select the products you want to order. Just click on browse and you will see a list of the products inside your Shopify store, and you can start selecting them. You can even select a specific variant of one of your products. As you can see, one variant selected. Let's select this soap or hand soap product. Click on add. If you have a very long list of products, you can use this search field to locate your product. Now you can fill in your supplier SKU, quantity, the cost of this product, and also the tax. Let's say that my SKU is the exact one as my supplier SKU. I will use it. For the quantity, I want 10 of this product. The cost is $7 and the tax is 30%. This is the total that I will pay. And as you can see, the details of products you are ordering from your supplier will automatically be filled in the next time you select them. Let's say that I want to order also this coffee maker machine, but only this black variant. Let's select this black variant and use now. From this additional details, you can also add a reference number like this one. You can also add a note to the supplier. Let's say this is my note. Please include eco-friendly packaging materials and confirm shipment via email once dispatched. This order is a priority restock for our summer campaign. And for tags, you can use tags like my bed. Each tag should be added separately. So I will use these two tags. Now this is the cost summary. This is what you will pay for tax, the subtotals, the number of items, and also if you have cost adjustment for shipping, and this is the total that you should pay. Now let's save this purchase order as a draft. As you can see, purchase order created. As you can see, my new purchase order is still in draft, and I can duplicate it as a purchase order, as a transfer. I can also export it as a PDF, delete it, and also mark it as ordered. Let's mark it as an ordered. After marking as ordered, you will be able to receive incoming inventory from your supplier. This purchase order can't be turned into a draft again. So make sure that you hit this mark as ordered only when you are sure that it is truly ordered. Let's click on mark as ordered. As you can see, mark as ordered. Let's go back to the purchase orders page. And this is how to create your purchase order in Shopify. Now let's see how to edit it after receiving all of your ordered products or some of them. Just hit or just enter your purchase order marked as ordered, and here you can see the total received. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. I've ordered 10 of this soap and 5 coffee maker machine or coffee machines. To mark your inventory as received, just click on this receive inventory button. And now fill in, let's say, all the 10 soaps I've ordered are accepted by me. So I will hit 10 and automatically you will see 10 of 10 under received. And let's say that only 4 machines out of 5 are accepted, but 1 is rejected. As you can see, this bar represents the rejection and acceptance rate. After that, hit this save button. And now, as you can see, the total received is 15 out of 15. Another useful feature of Shopify is that it lets you fill in a comment here below your purchase order. And this is how to create your purchase order in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.